What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's coming up on M.A.W? I have a few things coming up, some live canvas scenes. So, when you conduct your business, you should always be in a happy, go lucky, friendly mood. All right? You should always be on your A game because you never know when someone's going to bless you. So, I just met a construction guy who builds homes, right? At a diner. One of the guys that builds homes is two different people. They doing their own thing, but they're friends. All right. So I've dealt with the one guy before, and I've taken you guys on the live canvassing, and then I've taken you guys on the job to actually do the job. It was a brand new remodeled home, a rancher, one level, small house. But I made like I don't know, 250 on the house, something like that. But he has another project for me. Now, he asked me, when can I get there? And I said, maybe by this weekend. But he didn't say nothing right away. So I said, what you need me to get there sooner? He said, the sooner you can, the better. So apparently he's finished the house. The last time I had to come back a couple times because he realized that the windows got dirty and he had me do it too soon. So the project is done and he doesn't even want me to go look at it. Just do it. And I said, oh, you just want me to just go ahead and do it. So basically, based on what I charged him for that other house, he trusts my judgment that I will do right by him, and whatever I'm going to charge him, that's fine with him. Don't you just love jobs and accounts like that? So his buddy says, when you're done with that house, I got one for you. He showed me the house. It's a one level. It can't get any easier than that. Cake work. I'm talking about straight cake work. All right, in and out. So it doesn't look like there's any stickers or anything from what I saw, but you know how you can't really tell until you get out and look at the job. But I'm gonna go past and look at the job when I do the first house, and then I'll call and schedule with him. Cause it's on the other side of town, way on the other side of town. So I'll have to go and take a look at that. But I will do that all in that day. I will do that one job, take y'all on the job with me, see how I clean it, the method I'll be using. I don't know yet, but if you comment below this video, if you have suggestions on what method or what way would you like to see me do it, just so you can see how I work doing different things in different ways. Maybe you guys could see some ideas and say, hey, that looked like a handy little way he did that. Technique. If you're new and you want to gain some techniques, make some suggestions on a certain method you would like to see, just to see how it goes. I'm open to suggestions. So I will take you on those canvassing and cleaning jobs. And then I have another live canvassing coming up. I won't be talking to anyone because there isn't anyone to talk to because this is a third party job. I told you my worker does sweeping. He drives a little sweeper machine at night, and he works for this guy who's trying to build his business and get into floors, and he's doing snow removal, he's doing landscaping, he's doing the sweeping of the parking lots. He has accounts at ShopRite and various places, and he now just got the cleaning contract of 2 movie theaters. down the street from where I do my work at. And he wants to get a price for the windows. So I'm going to take y'all on that tag along, and y'all can come with me. I'm going to give my price, and then I'm going to let y'all give y'all price. If you were tagging along with me, and let's say it was your account and you were tagging along with me because I'm going to help you on the job, you give a price for what you would charge yourself to do that job, what your time is worth. So I tend to think that everybody wants to be in the same vicinity of what they would charge, but I realize different areas, the price may vary, but we ultimately should be in the ballpark together. If somebody's way off base, then somebody's doing something wrong. Either that, or they're extremely fast, or just extremely cheap, or just they don't just know what the heck they're doing. Either one of the two, or one of the four. So, but that's pretty much it. This is Masters at Wagtail. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned. I got some interesting videos coming up, and something a little different than just seeing my squeegee twirl around in the air, wagging up and down, way to the ground, inside, outside. I'm just that fly. Listen to the beat. Don't look at my squeegee, because it's too fast. I'm going to wax that glass, kid. I'm going to wag it to pieces and eat it up, just like I eat Reese's. Wagtail is good. Wagtail ain't crazy. It ain't hazy. Put it on the glass, twirling circles on the glass just like I'm crazy. But yo, I'm out of here like Vladimir. Last year, pair of funky underwear.